Introducing the Restock field. It's a smarter, faster way to stay on top of your inventory so you never get caught off guard by low stock. To use the Restock field, make sure the minimum level field is checked when you create a form or edit an existing form, either in the mobile app or the web app. Once added, you can set a minimum stock level for each individual item. For example, I'm setting the minimum stock level for this item to 5. Now, when I remove stock, and the quantity drops below that minimum level, you'll see an alert appear. GearChain will automatically send an alert, either as a push notification to your device, an email to the install admin, or both. Email alerts are sent daily. This means you'll always know exactly when it's time to reorder, without having to manually check your inventory. The Restock field works seamlessly with existing GearChain features, including barcode scanning, spreadsheet sync, and GearChain's AI-powered tools.